Unraveling the Meaning of Washout, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating topic to discuss that can sometimes be a bit confusing for English learners. The term, washout. We're going to explore its meanings, usage, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it in different contexts. So, stay tuned, and let's dive into the world of English expressions together. The term, washout, originally comes from a literal context, referring to a situation where a path, road, or railway is so flooded or eroded by heavy rain that it becomes impassable. It's like the water has washed out the path, making it impossible to use. Example: after the heavy rains last night, the hiking trail became a washout, and we had to cancel our trip. Washout is also commonly used in a more metaphorical sense to describe events, plans, or activities that are ruined or spoiled, often because of bad weather. Example: our beach party was a complete washout due to the unexpected storm. In this context, it conveys a sense of disappointment and the feeling that something that was supposed to be enjoyable or successful didn't turn out as planned. In the world of sports, particularly in cricket and baseball, a washout refers to a game or match that is cancelled or abandoned because of rain. Example: we were all set to watch the baseball game, but it was a washout. This is a specific use of the term and is widely understood among sports enthusiasts. While the term washout is less commonly used in other contexts, it's worth noting that it can also refer to a person who has failed in a particular activity or profession. Example: he was once a promising musician, but now he's considered a washout. This usage conveys a sense of failure or inability to meet expectations. That brings us to the end of our exploration of the term, washout. We hope this video has shed some light on the different ways this versatile term can be used in English. Remember, language is all about context, and understanding the subtle nuances of words like washout will help you communicate more effectively and confidently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.